Hi, I'm Yume, and I'm coming to your area soon, and I'm so excited to be with you in community. Yes, I wanted to let you know that I feel strongly guided to serve as many people as possible while I'm there and to meet as many beautiful people as possible while I'm there. And it feels the quality of energy at both at the cabin 18 and at Quantum Life feels very rich with pregnant possibility for spiritual um, uprising, expansion, deepening. I just feel a lot of beautiful energy around your area, and I'm honored to come and share what I have to offer and share from my own life what it's been like to follow my guidance every step of the way when I found that if I didn't, I was causing myself a lot of pain. So I'd love to share about that, and look forward to meeting you. I just wanted to say hello and let us have a moment to feel each other's energy a little better. Please do feel free to email me or text me prior to my arrival. I'll be at the cabin for the full moon ceremony on the 18th in September. I'll be leading that. And then at Quantum Life, I think my free intro is on Thursday. I'm not going to be good at that, but it's perhaps Thursday, the 3rd of October. Anyway, look forward to seeing you in those and more locations that crop up from the community with invitations. And much love from now till then. Here's where we put the glasses back on to actually see the button that says stop recording. Danae at DanaeShantiThrive.com or SingingChildrenHome@gmail.com. Good news for you is you can go back and listen to that again. Okay, thanks so much for giving me a few moments of your precious time. Be well.